Hey, Jordan here with Caster HQ, and in this video, we're going to go over the replacement casters and wheels for drywall carts, also known as sheetrock dollies. So when you buy a drywall cart, it's going to typically come with one of two wheels. It'll come with a black rubber on cast iron wheel, which is a really heavy wheel with a flat tread, or it'll come with a crowned thermal rubber wheel like this one, which is really the ideal wheel option that you want to use on your drywall cart. So if you're replacing your current casters, and let's say you have the black rubber on iron, I would recommend you replace it with this wheel type here. It is a universal fit because most drywall carts and sheetrock dollies come with an 8-inch diameter wheel, 8x2. So you can buy the replacement caster from us, which has the industry standard 4-inch by 4.5-inch mounting plate, or you can just buy the replacement wheel, and you can easily take these wheels out of the caster frame and you can easily swap and replace it with our wheels if you have a damaged wheel or just you want a wheel that rolls a little bit easier than the current one that you have. Now, the benefits of this wheel compared to the rubber on iron wheel are pretty significant. So you have the gray thermal rubber wheel, so this will not leave marks or streaks. It's non-marring. So if you have a residential or commercial building you're working on, let's say they have expensive floors, tile, wood floors, any type, this will actually protect the floors, won't leave any streaks or marks. The black rubber on cast iron wheel will actually leave black streaks because the rubber is made of carbon, has carbon in it. And so if it doesn't have free mobility, it will typically leave black streaks. So you want to go with a gray non-marking rubber wheel. This wheel also weighs a lot less than the rubber on iron wheel. So it's not going to weigh your cart down, so it's going to be easier to roll. This has a crown tread, so it's even easier to roll than a flat tread. And then this is more resistant to weather and wash down and chemicals. So if this is exposed to water or wash down or any types of chemicals or oils, this will not degrade. This will basically last a very long time. And the other really big benefit of this wheel will actually reject debris, which is why this was made. If you run into, let's say, screws on the ground or metal shavings or little gravel, the typical caster wheel is going to get stuck, and then you have to move the cart and you actually have to go around it. This one, as long as you're rolling it, you have a little bit of momentum, it's going to grip and roll right over any debris that it comes in contact with. So this is the ultimate wheel that you want for your drywall cart. So like I said, you can replace the wheel itself, and we will provide the roller bearing and the spanner bushing and the washers. So when you buy the wheel, it's basically going to have everything you need to simply take off your old caster or take off your old wheel and just swap it with the new wheel that you just purchased, or you can buy a whole new set of replacement drywall casters from us. Now, there is a difference in quality. When you buy these drywall casters online, you're typically going to get one that is a lot lower quality because they're not using the exact same chemical compound. This is actually a patented chemical compound, Performer Rubber. It's a very unique compound that's not shared with anyone, and this is made in the USA. So this is patented, and this is going to be the best wheel material to actually reject and roll over debris and give you the best ergonomics for your drywall cart. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And you can find all these products on our website, which I will link below in the description. So thanks for watching.